observe the problems from the classical thinking. I think yesterday, yesterday?
14/15 is going on.
Okay. Now, so all of you observe the problem number 15. For any real number x, what is the value of secant power 4x minus secant square x? So that value we want in terms of that tan. In the options, all the options are there in terms of that tan. So that value we have to find in terms of that tan. So, let's observe this. We have to find secant power 4x minus secant square x in terms of the tan. To find this, first of all, from these two functions, we can take secant square x as common. Take the secant square x as the common. The remaining is secant square x minus 1. This is the remaining. Now, this we have to convert completely in terms of the tan. To convert that, once recollect the second identity from that secant square x, we can write 1 plus tan square x. So here I am using the short method that to write that tan all the trigonometric functions. You should understand that. See what is the tan. So 1 plus tan square x we can write as the secant square x, and secant square x minus 1, which is tan square x from the identity. So if you multiply there, tan square x into 1, which is tan square x, plus tan square x into tan square x, that is tan power 4x. So this value is equal to this much. That is the answer. Is that? Completed? Okay. Then
Yes, sir.
Before going to the next problem, here we have to remember some results. So because the next problem is based on that result, keep this awaiting result. In that, the first one is, suppose I want to find the value of tan square x minus sin square x. I want to find the value of tan square x minus sin square x. So if you want to find this tan square x, from the definition you can write sin square upon cos square x minus sin square x. Sin square x means you can write sin square by cos square x. Now from these two terms, we can take sin square x common. From this we can take sin square x common. Remaining is 1 upon cos square x. 1 by cos square x is secant square x, minus 1 will be there. Minus 1 will be there. Now from the identity, how do you write the secant square x minus 1? Secant square x minus 1 is into sin square x. So therefore, this is the result we have to remember. Therefore, tan square x minus sin square x is equivalent to tan square x into sin square x. This is the result that we have to remember. So write down this result. And we have to remember this is as a formula. Tan square x minus sin square x is also equivalent to tan square x into sin square x.
Completed, sir.
Similarly, look at the next result, that is, I want to find cos square x minus cos square x. Similarly, cos square x minus cos square x if you want to find it. That is cos square x. We can write as an cos square by sin square x. Cos square x upon sin square x, we can write it minus cos square x. Now from these two, we can take the cos square x common. If we take the cos square x common, remaining is 1 by sin square x, that is cosecant square x, minus 1 will be there. Then how do you write the cosecant square x minus 1?
Cot square theta.
Cos square x. That is cos square x into cos square x. So this is the another result we have to remember. So therefore, cos square x minus cos square x is also equivalent to cos square x into cos square x. This is another result we have to remember. That on this.
Complete, sir.
Similarly, look at the third result, that is,
Yes, sir.
I want to find the value of secant square x plus cosecant square x. Secant square x plus cosecant square x. To find this, secant, which is the reciprocal of the cos. So, secant square x, you can also write 1 upon cos square x plus cosecant square x, this is the reciprocal of the sine. Therefore, cosecant square x, you can write 1 upon sine square x. Okay. Now, here the LCM is cos square x into sine square x. Is an LCM? Then, in the numerator, we get that sine square x into 1, that is the sine square x, plus cos square x into 1, that is the cos square x. This is what we are getting in the numerator. Now, we know the identity that sin square x plus cos square x value is 1. Therefore, the numerator becomes 1 upon cos square x into sin square x. So now again, this 1 by cos square x, that is secant square x, into 1 by sin square x, which is cosecant square x. So therefore, this is the result we have to remember. Secant square x plus cosecant square x is also equivalent to secant square x into cosecant square x. This is the third result. Okay. Apart from this, previously already I was given the two results also to you. That result also we have to remember. That is the value of sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta is there. Sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta. How do you write this? This is also equivalent to 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. I think the identity itself I was given this result also to you. So sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta is also equivalent to 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. Similarly, sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta is also equivalent to 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. Okay, this is another result. Okay, write down those two results also. Now, look at the next problem. Once observe the next problem, 16th problem. Once observe that. Which of the following is true? Which of the following is true? Which one is true from the options? Tan square theta minus sin square theta is equal to tan square theta into sin square theta. That is the first result. That is true. First option is correct. The remaining options are not correct. Okay. Here the answer is first option. That is the direct result. Now, look at the problem number 17. X is equal to secant theta plus tan theta. What is the value of x plus 1 by x? Look at this. X is equal to secant theta plus tan theta. Then we know that because in the second derivative itself I was given that secant theta plus tan theta, secant theta minus tan theta are reciprocal to each other. Secant theta plus tan theta and secant theta minus tan theta are reciprocal to each other. Therefore, if x is secant theta plus tan theta, then 1 by x becomes secant theta minus tan theta because these two are reciprocal to each other. From the second derivative only I was given this. Now, if we add them, x plus 1 by x is equal to 2 secant theta, where tan theta is getting cancelled. Therefore, x plus 1 by x value is 2 secant theta. That is the answer. Look at the next problem.
Done, sir.
Observe the next problem. 18. What is the value of cot x plus tan x? This you have to find it. Just observe this. I want to find cot x plus tan x. To find this, cot x, we can write cos x by sin x plus tan x, we can write sin x by cos x. Like that, we will convert them in terms of the sin and cos. Now tell me, what is the LCM for this?
Sin x into cos x.
Sin x into cos x. What we will get in the numerator? Numerator में क्या मिलेगा?
Sin square
One.
plus cos square. Sin square x plus cos square x.
Okay. So sin square x plus cos square x is 1. So this is 1 upon sin x into cos x. So 1 upon sin x, that is cosecant x, into 1 upon cos x, which is secant x. So therefore, this value is equivalent to cosecant x plus into secant x. That is all. Next, look at the next problem. Also, this 19th problem. What is the value of sin square 20 plus cos power 420 sin power 420, sorry, sin square 20, no? Sin square 20 plus cos power 420 upon sin power 420 plus cos square 20 is equal to how much? Just observe here. To find this, here also we have to remember one result that, just observe this. I want to find the value of sin square theta plus cos power 4 theta value I want to find. Sin square theta plus cos power 4 theta. To find this, which is sin square theta plus this cos power 4 theta, that one as cos square theta into cos square theta, we will write it. cos square theta into cos square theta. 1 cos square theta written as 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, 1 cos square theta written as 1 minus sin square theta. Now if you multiply here, sin square theta plus cos square theta into 1, which is cos square theta, minus sin square theta into cos square theta. Therefore, sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1 minus sin square theta into cos square theta. So this is the result you have to remember. Therefore, the value of sin square theta plus cos square 4 theta is 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta. Similarly, cos square theta plus sin power 4 theta value also the same thing, 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta, whatever might be the angle. So this is the result. Okay, cos square theta plus sin power 4 theta or sin square theta plus cos square 4 theta, both are same. If you remember that result, here observe this. This is the sum of plus cos square 4 theta form, that is this format. So this is equivalent to, we can write 1 minus sin square 20 degree into cos square 20 degree. Like that you can write it upon. The denominator is of this format. Cos square theta plus sin square 4 theta. So this is also, we can write that 1 minus sin square 20 degree into cos square 20 degree. So here both of them are getting cancelled. So answer is 1. Take the result out. Completed? Okay. Next, look at the next problem. Observe this problem number 20. Observe that x is equal to a cos theta plus b sin theta. X is equal to a cos theta plus b sin theta. Y is equal to a sin theta minus b cos theta. Then what is the value of a square plus b square? So in the options there is no x at all, because the same problem also there, I think, in the 10th class. So means from these two equations we have to eliminate the theta. So from these two equations we should eliminate the theta. How can you eliminate the theta? Then the equation is there in terms of the sin and cos. Both the equations on both the sides. It's squaring it. That is x square is equal to a cos theta plus b sin theta whole square. Okay, I will apply whole square on both the sides. So that implies x square is equal to, say, expand this, a plus b whole square form. Expand it, which is a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta plus 2ab sin theta cos theta. That is expansion of that. Similarly, square the second equation also. Y square is equal to, which is a sin theta minus b cos theta whole square. That implies y square is equal to, if you expand that, this is in the format of a minus b whole square. If you expand it, which is a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta minus 2ab sin theta cos theta. This is what we are getting. Now we will add them. Okay, these both the equations we will add them. If we add them, it is x square plus y square is equal to, Observe here. From these first two terms, I can take a square common. If I take a square common, the remaining is cos square theta plus sin square theta, which is 1 plus. From the next two terms, I can take the b square common. From these two terms, I can take the b square common. Remaining is sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is 1. And if I add them, these two terms are getting cancelled because they have the opposite sign. Therefore, this is answer for it. A square plus b square value is x square plus y square. Okay. So this is the point we have to remember. So whenever the equation is given in terms of the sin and cos, this is opposite sign. Then square both the equations on both the sides, then add them, then the theta is going to eliminate. Whenever they have given the equation in terms of the secant and tan, the identity we know that secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. That's why square both the equations, then subtract them. If you subtract them, the theta will get eliminated in terms of secant and tan. Is the problem? Completely? Next, look at the next problem. Observe this 21st problem. X is equal to a cos cube theta. X is equal to a cos cube theta. Y is equal to b sin cube theta. Then which of the following options are correct? So in the options, there is no theta. Means from the two equations, they have eliminated the theta. From this, we have to eliminate the theta. To eliminate the theta, here the functions are sin and cos. You know the identity is that cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. That's why from this, I will find the value of the cos theta. So there is a cos cube theta is divided by the a. Cos cube theta is x by a. That implies cos theta is equal to this power 3 and other side. This power 3 goes to the other side, becomes x by a whole power 1 by 3. That power becomes reciprocal. Okay. Now, square it on both the sides. If you square it on both the sides, then it is cos square theta is equal to x by a whole power 2 by 3. We will get it. This is the value of cos square theta. Similarly, from this sin cube theta is equal to y by b. So therefore, sin theta value is y by b whole power 1 by 3. From this other side, you are also squaring it on both the sides, and sin square theta is equal to y by b whole power 2 by 3. This is what we are getting. Now add both of them. Therefore, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. This is the identity that we know it. So therefore, cos square theta means x by a whole power 2 by 3 plus sin square theta means y by b whole power 2 by 3 is equal to 1. This is the answer. So here theta was eliminated. Take that.
Sir, explain again.
Okay. So here the equation is given in terms of the cos and sin. From these two equations, we have to eliminate the theta. To eliminate the theta from the first equation divided by a on both the sides, and x by a is equal to cos cube theta. Here power is 3. Send this power other side. Whenever we send the power other side, that power becomes reciprocal. Therefore, cos theta is equal to x by a whole power 1 by 3. Then square it on both sides. Square is equation on both the sides. If we squaring them, then cos square theta is equal to x by a whole power 2 by 3. Similarly, you divided the b on both the sides. If you divided by the b, then y is equal to sin cube theta. And sin theta is equal to 1 by b whole power 1 by 3. Again, scoring it on both the sides. This scoring it on both the sides means you have the whole power 2 on both the sides. So that is equal to y whole power 2 by 3. Now we know the identity in terms of sin and cos is that cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. And cos square theta is x by a whole power 2 by 3. Sin square theta is y by b whole power 2 by 3 is equal to 1. That's all.
Done, sir.
Look at the next problem. Observe this 22nd problem. Cos x plus cos square x is 1. Then what is the value of sin square x plus sin power 4x? Problem. Is given that cos x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Then you have to find the value of sin square x plus sin 4x is how much? To find this, here send this cos square x other side. Send the cos square x other side, then it becomes 1 minus cos square x. So therefore, cos x is equal to, how do you write the 1 minus cos square x?
Sin square x.
Sin square x. Now square is equation on both the sides. Square is equation on both the sides. So if we squaring this, just a minute. If we squaring it on both the sides, then we are getting cos square x is equal to sin square x whole square, which is sin power 4x. So tell me, how do you write the cos square x? Cos square x, how can you write it?
1 minus sin square x.
Is equal to sin power 4x. Now send this negative term other side. Therefore, sin power 4x plus sin square x is equal to 1. This is answer. They are asking about this value, that is 1. Take that. Get it?
Yes, sir.
Look at the next problem. Observe the next problem.
Done, sir.
Sin x 23rd problem is given that sin x plus sin square x is equal to 1. Then what is the value of cos power 8x plus 2 cos power 6x 2 cos power 6x plus sin power cos power 4x. We have to find the value of this. Okay. Let's understand this. Observe here. Here, sin x is equal to, send this sin square x other side, it is 1 minus sin square x. Okay. That 1 minus sin square x, we can write that sin x is equal to cos square x. Means indirectly, this is the relation that is given. Sin x is equal to cos square x. Now, come to here. Here cos power 8x is there. Cos power 8x, I can write cos square x whole power 4. Cos power 8x, I will write cos square x whole power 4 plus there is a 2 cos power 6x is there. Cos power 6x, I will write cos power 4x into cos square x. Cos power 4x, write down as cos square x whole square into cos square x plus cos power 4x, write down this as it easily. Okay, so cos power 8x, write down as cos square x whole power 4. Cos power 6x, write down as cos power 4x into cos square x. Cos power 4x, write down as cos square x whole square. Why? Because we know that cos square x value is sin x. That's why these terms we brought in terms of the cos square x. Now we substitute that cos square x value is sin x. In the place of this cos square x, write down the sin x. Now this becomes sin power 4x plus 2 times here cos square x. I can write sin x whole square, that is sin square x cos square x plus cos power 4x. Now this sin power 4x, I can write sin square x whole square. Okay, sin power 4x, you can write sin square x whole square plus 2 sin square x into cos square x plus cos power 4x, you can write cos square x whole square again. Like that we will write. Now it is in the format of a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square format. So this is, you can write that a plus b whole square, that is sin square x plus cos square x whole square, we can write a. What is the value of sin square x plus cos square x? Value
1.
1 square, that is 1.
1.
Answer is 1. Let's take that.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Next. Observe the 24th problem. 24th problem देखो एक बार. Which of the following is incorrect? कौन सा वाला incorrect है? Sin theta minus 1 by 5 ले सकता क्या? Because the range of the sin theta is minus 1 to 1. Minus 1, 1 बीच में होने चाहिए. So minus 1 by 5 lies in between only. So that is correct. Means that we can take it. So that is not our answer. Cos theta is equal to 1. That also we can take it. But third option देखो. Secant theta is equal to 1 by 2 was given. But what is the range of the secant theta? Secant theta का range क्या है?
Minus infinity to minus 1.
Or
2 plus
1 to
infinity.
means
Minus infinity to minus 1.
minus 1 to 1.
minus 1 to 1 बीच में कभी भी
Minus 1 to 1.
वैल्यू नहीं देते. बट इधर 1 by 2 दिया ना. 1 by 2 बोले तो that lies in between minus 1 to 1. 1 minus 1 1 बीच में रहते हैं ना. Secant theta never gives the value in between minus 1 to the 1. That's why C, that answer is not possible. So that is our correct option. C is our correct option. Okay. Next. Look at the 25th problem. Which of the following is possible? कौन सा वैल्यू पॉसिबल होता है? Cos theta is equal to 7 by 5. ये पॉसिबल है क्या? Because good. D option is correct. Cos theta is equal to 7 by 5. That is more than 1. Cos never gives the value which is more than 1. That's why first option is not correct. Sin theta is equal to 8 by 5. That is also more than 1. Sin theta also never gives the value which is more than 1. secant theta is equal to 4 by 5, that is 0.8. So secant theta also never gives the value in between -1 to the 1. That's why 4 by 5 also not possible. So, but the range of the tan theta is R. That is, it will give all the real numbers. That's why tan theta equal to 45 is only possible. Okay? So that is the answer. Now look at the 26th problem. What is the smallest value of 5 cos theta plus 12? Smallest value of 5 cos theta plus 1.
17.
17, okay?
7.
17.
7. So 5 cos theta plus 12, right? I want to find smallest value, not the largest value. I want to find the smallest value, that is the minimum value I want to find it. So to find the minimum value, here only the variable is the cos theta. Tell me what is the minimum value of the cos theta? What's the minimum value, okay?
-1.
-1. So if I substitute the minimum value there, then this entire value becomes the minimum. So 5 into -1, that is -5 plus 12, that is equal to 7. So this is the minimum value of that expression. So if you want to find the maximum value, what is the maximum value of the cos theta?
1.
1.
1. So if you substitute the maximum value of the cos theta, then this total value becomes maximum, that is 17. Therefore, if the maximum value is 17 and the minimum value is 7, therefore the range of this function 5 cos theta plus 12. If you want to find the range, if you want to write the range, we have to take the closed bracket. First minimum value, then maximum value, that is 7, 17 closed bracket. 5 cos theta plus 12 gives the value in